Welcome to the AI revolution, transforming our world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is set to revolutionize our lives in ways we can hardly imagine. It's already changing the world as we know it, and the possibilities are endless. AI has the power to transform industries. From healthcare to transportation, it can improve efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making. Imagine personalized medicine that tailors treatments to your unique genetic makeup, or self-driving cars that drastically reduce accidents and traffic congestion. But AI isn't just limited to specific industries. It can enhance our daily lives too. Picture a smart home that anticipates your needs, from adjusting the temperature to ordering groceries, or virtual assistants that can do everything from booking appointments to providing personalized recommendations. However, while AI brings incredible potential, we must also address the challenges it poses. Ensuring AI is used responsibly, ethically, and without bias is crucial. We must prioritize privacy and security and ensure transparency in how AI systems work. Despite these challenges, the transformative power of AI is undeniable. It is reshaping our world, making it smarter, more efficient, and more connected. So, get ready for the AI revolution, embrace the possibilities, and be a part of shaping our future. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on how AI is transforming our world. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.